Jeg ved ikke, hvordan du har det med sørgelige numre, men det mest sørgelige nummer, jeg kan komme i tanke om, det er et Kris Kristofferson nummer, der hedder Sunday Morning Coming Down. Et nummer, Kris han skrev og ville rigtig gerne give det til Johnny Cash. Historien er så, at Kris han i frokostpausen, han er militæret på det her tidspunkt, han låner en helikopter og flyver hen og lander i Johnny Cash's baghave. Der er bare et problem i den her historie. Det er, at Johnny Cash han var slet ikke hjemme. Og Kris Kristofferson får først på et senere tidspunkt afleveret nummer til Johnny Cash. Og det er nok ingen hemmelighed, at det her nummer det bliver et kæmpe hit. Den kommer lige her.
Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head that didn't hurt. And a beer I had for breakfast wasn't bad. I had one more for dessert. Then I fumbled in my closet for my clothes and found my cleanest dirty shirt. When I washed my face and combed my hair, stumbled down the stairs to meet the day. Well, I smoked my mind the night before with cigarettes and songs that I've been picking. But I lit my first and watched the kid with a can that he was kicking. When I walked across the street, someone far away, someone's frying chicken. Ooh. And it took me back to something that I lost somewhere, somehow along the way. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. 'Cause there is something in a Sunday makes somebody feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying as lonesome as the ground of a slipping city sidewalk. Sunday morning coming down. In a park I saw a daddy with a laughing little girl that he was swinging. And I stopped beside a Sunday school, listened to the songs that they were singing. When I walked down the street, somewhere far away, the lonely bell was ringing. Ooh. And it echoed through the canyons like the disappearing dreams of yesterday. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. 'Cause there is something in a Sunday makes somebody feel alone.